In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money from Sendwave to bank account. We'll start by getting your account ready, then move into what to share with the sender and how to confirm the deposit when it arrives. Before you receive money on Sendwave, make sure the Sendwave account is verified and that your own account is verified as well. Open your Sendwave app and log in. Tap the menu icon or your profile picture, then choose Verify Account. Enter your full name and date of birth exactly as they appear on your ID and bank records. Next, select the purpose of your account. This helps confirm legitimate use and speeds up approval. Tap Finish, then tap Continue when prompted. Now select your country, choose the type of document you'll use for verification. Tap Continue, and if you see another information screen, tap Continue again. When you're ready, tap Start. Begin capturing your document. Use bright, even lighting. Hold your phone steady and keep the entire document within the frame, front and back if requested. Make sure the text is sharp and readable. When it looks clear, tap Submit Photo. You'll then complete a quick face verification. Tap Start Recording to record your face and tap Start Again to begin. Hold the camera at eye level, keep your face centered, and follow any on-screen prompts until the recording finishes. Wait while the upload completes and the check runs. It can take a moment and that's normal. Once verification is done, you're ready to receive funds to your bank account. Share your bank details with the sender. Provide the bank name, the exact account name as it appears on your account, the account number, and the country of the receiving bank. Double check spelling and digits before you send them. The sender will use this information to create the transfer in Sendwave, so accuracy here helps avoid delays. After the sender completes the transfer, wait for it to arrive. Processing times vary by country, currency, banking hours, and compliance checks, so give it a bit of time. Finally, check your bank account to confirm the deposit. Look at your recent transactions and available balance. If the funds don't show up within the expected window, verify the details with the sender and keep an eye out for notifications from Sendwave or your bank. And that's it. You've verified your account, shared the correct bank details, and confirmed the incoming funds. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps your next transfer reach your bank smoothly.